How to get Canva promo codes. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can get Canva's discount and promo codes. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step is open up a web browser and simply search for a website called couponfollow.com. So this is the website, it's called couponfollow.com. Here you can find promo codes, discount codes, and coupons for a lot of different online or stores basically. So what you will do here is head over to the search for store option and type in Canva. After you type that in, select Canva from here and it should take you to this page where you can see different coupon codes. So there you can see Canva discount coupon code, you can get promo code, and many more. So if we scroll down, you can find really reasonable deals here, and you can save a lot of money on Canva. So what you can do is simply choose a coupon, whichever you want, and if you tap on it, you'll get to see this coupon code. You can use that in Canva to get the discounts. And it's that simple. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.